boy. We're back with another video. My girlfriend's behind the camera.
Hi.
But anyways, so today we're gonna be installing side skirts on my car. But first, I gotta show y'all something. I'm gonna start streaming, and like I just got some stuff to. Well, I already had this monitor, but now I got two monitors. You know, like I got my little gaming setup right here. But I'm gonna start streaming. I'm gonna put the link to that in the description and stuff. So you know what I'm saying, we can get some viewers up in there. But today we're gonna be going to Harbor. Well, we're going to Harbor Fair right now. I'm also gonna go try some food that maybe I wasn't near it. It's near the Harbor Fair, right? So we're gonna go try some food near there. But yeah, don't mind the room. Hopefully don't show anything because it's like really dirty, but it doesn't matter. All right, guys. So I'm gonna show you what I got with this. All right, so in this box, you put it on the living room floor. But here, let me put this over there. So in this box, I'm gonna take them out because we're gonna put them on today anyway. So. There's two in here, but it comes. Okay, this is what it's looking like. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a little good little extension, don't you think?
Yeah.
Good little extension on the bottom. So we gotta put the 3M tape all around this. And I saw online that there are some spaces that have a gap, so you have to put like 3 layers of tape on it, on like a specific spot. But yeah, this is the side skirt. It's gonna look a lot better when it's in the car. You can see my car. It's all the way down there. I'll see if I can hold on. I don't know if you can see the hazards on it. But it's in between the blue car and a black Sequoia, or a black SUV. But yeah, we're gonna get going to the Harbor Freight and stuff. So let's go put our shoes, man. We're gonna put our shoes on. So we got the car over here. So you see the side skirts? This is the front lip. I showed this in the other video before that I didn't put it on. Actually, I did make a video putting it on, but I never put it included into anything because I didn't record it that good.
You got a little dirty with the tree.
Yeah, little tree stuff. The back. I'm not gonna lie, I was thinking of also replacing the other one because look, if you see this one.
I almost tripped over a rock.
If you see this one, it has a I'm missing a lug nut because it's stripped. So like I have to replace the whole thing, but we'll see. We'll see if I do that or not. We're gonna head over to Harbor Freight, get some tools and some tape. Hopefully they have 3M tape. I think they have 3M tape at Harbor Freight.
Sure.
If they don't, there's a Walmart there. So and we're looking for a specific drill, something cheap. Actually, something cheap. Oh, I think this is the one that's cheap. Yeah, look, it's $20 for a kit. This is from here though. Which one? Oh, that's, yeah, no, these are the same. These are the same, I think. I just need the one that comes with like the whole thingy and shit. Part includes lithium-ion battery and 18-volt charge. Okay, here comes the charger. How much is it? $30. We got this one. This little cordless drill. Only $30, but the whole thing was $50. The sides are gonna look a lot. Where you going? Oh, it's dirty. Oh, we should go to the car right there. Ooh, a crow. So now we're in the car. But let's open this thing right here. And I'm gonna open this, make sure everything is good. I'm pretty sure I can return it right from. All right. We gotta make sure everything's in the box. Probably the battery. This is the charger. Yeah, this is the battery. We'll just put this back here for now. There's gonna be car anyways. Hmm? 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 What? What? Okay. Let's charge. Nice. Okay. Now. Okay. Now. Please fit in here. Put higher power. There we go. So now. Yeah. So now it's easier to get into where did I put the thing? So hopefully this. Okay. Here, hold on, let me. This is my best purchase I've ever made. This works so well. This is not sponsored, by the way, so don't buy it because of me. I'm kidding. It's actually pretty well. We haven't tried it yet completely with the stuff, but if everything goes well today. How'd they put this in? Oh, you took the battery out. That's what. Goes right in there. Oh, quick. Oh yeah. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's better than nothing. Anyways, make this right here. I'll put everything in this box. Okay. All right. So now we have to go find some 3M tape. All right, guys. We're back from Home Depot, not Home Depot, Harbor Freight and Walmart. We got this 3M tape and shit. So the part that needs the most tape is like around this area right here. All right, we just got I just got the fuel sockets down here. They're right here. It's hot as hell outside. So, I gotta get the drill because I gotta remove some screws that are the building this piece off right here. So what you need to do is you need to take off the screw, and then this will peel back like this. So you basically just slide this thing on top of here, and then put the screw back in. So like that, and then you just grab the screw. Glasses back on because I'm blind. And then pretty much after that, it's pretty easy. You just gotta take the tape off, and then you just gotta try to line it up down in the middle. This is the little hard part because my hands are shaking. had a little bit of technical difficulties while putting in the first one, but now the heat gun, because then that little gap that's right there will be closed up, but looks pretty good like that. Yeah, I just need to put some heat in here. To help with the stick. Ready? That's pretty good. Pretty good, right? There we go. Okay. Now let me do the front. Dang, it's only right here too. Look, that rest is good. It's just
Yeah.
that little space for Alright. But besides that, yeah, I like that.
So is there gonna be any pictures, the
Yeah.
befores and afters?
Definitely gonna be before and after pictures in this video. And also follow me on Instagram because I post pictures. Well, I don't post pictures at all recently, but I'm gonna start posting pictures on Instagram. But if we're gonna put more in this video, we're gonna go to Home Depot and then I might have to wash my car soon.
Yeah.
But look, I'm really dirty. Is my face dirty too?
No.
Okay, well, I'm really dirty. See you guys in a second when we go to the Home Depot, take some flicks of it, and then clean up here because I ain't trying to, you know, I ain't trying to leave this place dirty. But yeah. Bye. Alright guys, we have the car wash. Gotta clean this shit, man. Gotta clean this shit because this shit not dirty. And the space is bothering me though, man. No space for this. It's like bothering me. But it is what it is though. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. I'm about to clean this shit real quick. Take some flicks of it. Alright guys. Just finished cleaning the car right here. It's looking a little better. I'm on the GoPro because, like I said earlier, that shit died, so couldn't finish it on the GoPro. So I'm on my iPhone camera now. But there are the side skirts. The side skirts are on. That's where the car's sitting right now. But now I'm sitting a little lower now too. Sitting a lot lower than it was before. I don't know before and after pictures of how it looked like. But yeah, that's how it's sitting right now. It's looking good. You just took a, I just washed it over there. So now it's a little cleaner. But yeah, man. Now I just need the little, I'm gonna replace those little ductile with a different one. And then I need the diffuser and the little spats on the side. And see what we do. Probably need a steering wheel. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for the video. I installed the side skirts in this video. Shit, catch y'all in the next one, man.